how to buy Mantis network token. So this token came under the symbol of M. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, if you check this pinned post, you will be able to see this. So as you can see, this token is available right now on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT to benefit from rewards. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, go and open your account on MEXC. As you can see, now copy the symbol of that token. It will be M. So after you copy it, go and type it here in search. So wait a few seconds, as you can see. So after you paste it, you will be able to see appear here M2 USDT. So as you can see, you will be able to see this pair. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds to load this page. Now you'll be able to trade this token. So after you click on buy here, click on limits, or the market is the same. So if you click on limits here, type how much you want to buy of that token. Here you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay of that USDT in your account to use it to buy this token. After that, click on buy M and you will be able to buy this token on your account. If you select the market instead, drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. After that, click on buy M and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy Mantis token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.